Welcome to Nelly Sisters YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to cover the core concepts of organic chemistry. Within 5 videos, we are going to study the entire basic concepts that we are having an essentials of 9th, 10th, plus 1 and plus 2. So let's complete this portion within just 5 or 8 minutes. So we are going to have these 5 parts of organic chemistry basics for 9th and 10th, and then plus 1 and plus 2. So 5 to 10 minutes would be a maximum video, so please follow us for more videos like this. My friends, let's move on to our next first topic. First, almost understanding about the organic chemistry. The main thing you need to know is about the carbon. Carbon symbol is C, so you can written this, I write this as carbon, right? So this is carbon. Now let me just show you the valency of carbon is 4, that is C6, which is equal to 2 4. So you can understand that. So the valency of carbon is 4 and this was C6, that is 2 4. We know that to become stable and octet configuration of 8 in the outermost shell, a valency of 8 should be seen in the outermost shell, then only 8 electrons should be seen in the outermost shell, then only the specific element becomes stable. So here we can understand that, oh, this guy is not stable, it is only 4 over here. If it was 8, we could say that it was stable, but it's not 8. We understood that this is not stable. So we would think, oh, what can this guy do? Just lose 4 of them? That's not possible. So just gain 4 of them, but that's not an ion common. Let me show you that carbon is having a covalent bond. Look, let's just take this one. As 4 is the valency, 4 is the valency, let us take that C4. Look, the carbon would have a 4 bond. So the carbon have 4 bond, as we can understand from the 4 as the valency. Understand, 4 is the valency, right? So it can make 4 bond together. It can't make ionic bond. Okay, so carbon won't make ionic bond, it make covalent bond. So study this one, this is very important. So carbon always makes a covalent bond. So it is not having an ionic bond, but carbon is having a covalent bond. As we can see that it's 4 is the valency. Here there are 4 bonds and it has a covalent bond. This is very important. First, your understanding about the case of carbon. Moving on to the next one, we understood that okay, covalent bond. This is the thing what we understood right now. This is having a case of 4 bonds over here. But let me show you what is hydrocarbon. Oh, the new term. Who is that guy? Actually, hydrocarbon known as the CH. Who is this guy? We can understand that CH means what? Carbon plus hydrogen, which means hydrocarbon means hydrogen plus carbon, which can be said that hydrocarbon, that is C plus H, that is hydrogen plus carbon, that is CH, hydrocarbon, carbon plus hydrogen. Now this together forms CH, known as the hydrocarbon. So simple. Now we understood that C is having the valency 4, it is a covalent bond and it's having a bond of having a 4 single bond, 4 bonds. It is having 4 bond. So now as we understood that, oh, here hydrogen is coming, here both of them are having a bond together. Right now, how to put hydrogen to these bonds? Look, you are taking hydrogen, so I am going to put simply hydrogen everywhere of these 4 bonds. In these 4 bonds, I am going to place the hydrogen. As we knew, hydrogen's valency is what? What's hydrogen's valency? Yes, hydrogen's valency is 1. 1 is the valency of hydrogen, right? Am I right? Yes. You can understand that here one more bond is here to make hydrogen a little stable. Look, here we were able to write the hydrogen everywhere to the four bonds of this guy. We wish the thing we want is understand here this. We just put so very simple trick. We just place this hydrogen towards the bonds of the carbon. This is the only thing. Look, then the equation would be CH itself. Hydrocarbon means CH. Only one C, and how many H is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. But that was the valency of C, carbon. You already knew that, my guys. It's from our basic knowledge. Here it would be 4, that means this one is 4. Got it? You know how to write a chemical formula, how to make a chemical formula. Am I right? If you don't, check out my videos. So here plus 4, not 9, okay? So here we got CH4 as there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hydrocarbons and 1 hydrogen. One carbon. And now let me just show you one more important thing. I think I wasn't able to say that, but that's very important. You need to know that carbon can have bond with another carbon. Understand this? Carbon can have a bond with another carbon, and this carbon again can have a bond with another carbon and another carbon and another carbon, like this. This can move again carbon. If I'm taking like this, look, I'm having a bond with another carbon, and this carbon is having a bond with this. This carbon is having a bond with this. This carbon is having a bond, and this one is having. Look, here each of the carbon is having a bond with another carbon. This is known as catenation. From this, what can you understand? What did you get from this image? That's not an image. This form. From this, what can you understand? What did you grasp from this? Oh, you can understand that. Oh, there were like this, this one like this, having a bond fully with carbon. But what happened when we came here? Look, here there's one hydrogen's decrease. One hydrogen is missing here. What happened to that poor hydrogen? Look over here. As I said, this carbon can have a bond with another carbon, right? So over here too you can understand hydrogen. Total how many hydrogen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hydrogens. And how many carbons? 2. This is the molecular formula. And this is the structural formula. So got it? Did you get it or not? This is known as the structural formula, and this is the molecular formula. Now what about the condensed formula? For this equation we are going to write the condensed formula. It would be like this, again writing CH. Okay, we are going to take this step itself, but we are not going to write like H like this, but these two are same. Look. We got it with a single bond towards carbon. Another carbon, hydrocarbon. We have a single bond with another hydrocarbon. There would be how many hydrogens are here? 1, 2, 3. And here to 1, 2, 3. This would be the condensed formula. This is the condensed formula of the hydrocarbon, and this is the case how you need to know and understand what this is. What suffice, did you got it? Yes, the carbon can make bond with another carbon too, and here the combination of the bonding of hydrogen and carbon and hydrogen's bonding is known as the hydrocarbon, and they are having a covalent bond. Carbon only have covalent bond. It is having a valency of 4, which means it can have a bond of 4 of them. 4 bond, and here the hydrogen is the place who is replaced over here as the bond, which is placed in the bond over here, which is known as the hydrocarbon. And the structural formula of this is like how to write. This is the structural formula. This is the condensed formula. How many carbons are there? What is the bond between them? And just writing how many carbons are presently. You wrote like this. Never include, this is not a hydrogen. So this is only thing that is written over here is together known as this formula. And now here in the molecular formula, how many C are there, how many H, that is written like this. Itself is known as what? Molecular formula, that is Ca2H6 in this case. And here what is the formula? CH4, right? That is C1 CH4, that can be written as CH4, and the condensed formula is CH4 itself. Got it? Moving on to the next one that we must need to study, and let's complete our today's portion. The next thing is single bond. What is a single bond? This particular thing is known as a single bond. As we knew and noticed that this personality between these two hydrocarbons. Who is this guy actually? Who is this? Who is this? Who are you? Who are you? This is known as the single bond between the both hydrocarbons. Now, going to the next person, this is the double bond. Then this formula can be written like this. Like this. Now the next one, this is double bond is represented by this. This is the triple bond. Oh my god, what the heck is this? Look, here we just use only one hydrocarbon. Let's differentiate with this. With this simple hydrocarbon, one hydrocarbon. So let's differentiate with this. This is the common hydrocarbon that we already studied in the first itself. Now, look over here. We have got a with 4 of them, 4 hydrogen, and as we already studied, the carbon is having 4 bond. As a valency, it's 4 itself. It is having 4 bond over here, and in this case, 3 of the bonds are filled using hydrogen and 1 with another hydrocarbon. Got it? Yes. So, going on to the next one. Look, the carbon has 4 bonds. Here, 2 of them are already filled and 2 of them are having a covalent bond with this one. Got it? Next one. Again, the carbon is having 4 bonds. Here too, it is 1 bond with the hydrogen and the triple bond with this CH1. So this is the thing how you need it. This is very simple concept. Understand using this image itself. So this is having a bond with hydrogen and this one, and this is also having a bond with hydrogen and this guy. Okay, always it is having a covalent bond. Never forget that it's having a covalent bond. And now, how can we write the molecular formulas of these guys? Very simple. CH, triple bond, CH. It's 1 over here. You can write 1. It's optional. This is the condensed formula. Now molecular formula would be like this. CH2. Got it? CH2. Molecular formula, and this would be the condensed formula. Here molecular formula would be, here it would be C2. Again only 2 carbons are seen here, right? Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the molecular formulas of these guys. Got it? These are the molecular formula. Now structural formula of this double bond. It can be written as CH. How many are in one place? In one carbon? 1, 2. That can be CH2. Double bond towards CH2. So this is the thing how you need to write. Again going to the next condensed form of this one. Again writing CH. Here it is 3. Having a single bond CH3. So this is the way how you find this equation. This is very simple. Just if you're having a doubt, again I have repeated so many times, you can see it again. So this is the thing that we are able to study today in our chemistry is organic chemistry, a branch of science that deals with the hydrocarbons and etc. And we are able to study alicyclic compounds, cyclic compounds, and more over them. So today we already studied about the structural, molecular, and the condensed formulas. And then we were able to understand what's a hydrocarbon and about the carbon catenation and related to more about the carbon catenation bonds. So these were the 4-5 key elements that we were able to study today. We understood so many things. Here you were very important to study about the valency. They are covalently bonded. They bonded 4 bonds. It can also have a bond with another carbon known as catenation. So this was the portions, the summary that we were able to study today. Did you get it or not? This was the key concept that we were able to study today, how to find the structure for this. So let's see in the next video. And one more thing, if you're just simply watching this, it doesn't mean while simply watching, but understanding them very clearly is very important. And please share this to your friends. Let them be also very updated. Today we just took some more time just to introduce our things. Next time we would understand. If you don't understand, listen this one more time, just one more time, then you will surely get the concept. And after that, let's in the next all videos we are going to study it without this much explanations, because we already studied the basic concepts. They are very important. So let's go to the next topic with the next part. Thank you.